Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P300e X. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is shoeless compliant and is finished in Pangea Green. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Pangea exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And when we open up the boot, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase. Also within the boot, you have your deployable tow bar controls, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving through the rear seats, you have your ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 23,814 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed while travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need, including a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You're also able to control the tow bar, whether this is to deploy it or stow it away from the comfort of within the cabin. You of course also have your 4x4 information, along with your weight sensing and your terrain response drive modes and adjustable ride height, making the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. As well as this, to help you even more, you also have the off-road feature on the 360 view camera. The 3D view allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days, as well as those colder winter ones, and this is paired with a dual zone climate control. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P300e X that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.